Hey guys, it's me, and today we are going to do another mommy makeup video. And this one I'm pretty excited about. As I mentioned in my last video, it is Pride Month, and there were a lot of things I wanted to do this month that I wasn't able to do. But this is probably going to be my last video of the month. I wanted to do something fun, and I think this is going to be fun. So, because this is probably going to be a long video, I went ahead and put on my primer and foundation first. So now we get to start with the fun stuff. So I got some really simple, just like drugstore stuff that I know I need but don't have, and then I'm going to use my regular stuff too. So I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm doing yet. I'm going to wait and see when you can find out. But I'll give you hints. It has to do with LGBT, and it is something that I have actually wanted to do just for fun for a while now, and I'm pretty excited that I'm doing it now. Though part of me is like, should I really be doing this on camera? Should I really put it on the internet? And part of me is like, you really shouldn't. Because I did not practice this beforehand. We're just going to see what happens. Which is what's fun about me doing makeup, because half the time I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, right now I'm painting just random dots and lines on my face. You don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. It's a mystery that we are going to find out together. I am so excited. It's a good thing this stuff washes off. I'm a full-on supporter of LGBT. I kind of have to be, because so I may have gone a bit much already, but just gonna keep going because I've gone this far, and I'm gonna blend it all in, I hope. Give myself a little makeup mustache. Hide that freckle. And the fun part is now I beat it all in. Let's fast forward this, shall we? So, I probably look really weird right now, but I promise I think I know what I'm doing. I know some people do their eyes first. I don't, clearly. So next is, of course, the rest of the face. So we add a little bit of blush. I actually wish I had a stronger blush right now, but I don't. I'm just going to add it to the dark crease that I just made. Just some on the nose, because and then this is going to be the really fun part, because we're going to go in with highlighter, but I now have silver and gold, and I'm going to have fun with them. So I want really intense shine. That's what I'm going for. So I'm going in with my fingers again. I know how much you guys loved that last time. And I just want all the shine. Just all of it. I am reflecting in my mirror that I have. This is exactly what I wanted. And just some on the Cupid's bow. Yeah, I'm shining. And now for the gold, I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to kind of add to whatever is going on my forehead. Just to have that light, oh, that was way too much, undertone of sparkle. Because it's Go big or go home. And I'm already home, so I guess I have to go big. And now for the eyes. Usually when I normally do makeup and if I do add eyebrows, I kind of stick to my normal eyebrow. I'm gonna go a bit more extreme. And if you haven't figured out why yet, well, just keep watching. So, just gonna outline. So, that is definitely a lot darker than what I normally do. Doesn't even match my hair color anymore. But I promise it'll make sense. So now for just eyes. I actually bought some new eyeshadow. Again, from the drugstore. I'm poor, people. This is the best I can do. I look really weird without eyeshadow on. Oh my god. Really should have done that first. So, if it looks bad, you can just blame the fact that I don't have my glasses on. So I look weird. I know. I have a plan. I promise. Just trust me on this one. Rubal would be very disappointed with me right now. I am trying, I swear. I should have probably watched a couple tutorials before I did this, but y'all already knew I was bad at makeup, so I'm gonna go in with the highlight. Yes. That is exactly what I wanted. Look at all the shimmer. Oh my goodness, I am so shiny. It's that Moana song. I'm so shiny. I don't actually want to sing it because copyright, even though I don't get paid for these videos. Clearly. I didn't really talk much during that. I was really concentrating to get it to look good, but I think it looks better now. So, I'm not done yet. Now we're going to go under the eye. And just all the sparkle. I actually used to be really uncomfortable with doing makeup around my eyes. Like, I was fine with eyeshadow, but like I could not do mascara. And now I'm literally putting a brush like in my eye and I don't care. So improvement, people, improvement. So there's something fun that I do want to do. Oh no, I'm not done yet. few colors. I don't have all of them, but we're gonna try. Here we go. Oh, that is a lot more glittery. Oh well. I don't care. Dun, 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 dun. All the shiny. Now for the next one, which isn't as shiny, but if you haven't gotten the idea yet, give it a couple more seconds. Kind of blend that together better. And then last but not least, I think it came out really nice. The eyebrows came out a little bit more extreme than what I was hoping, but overall, I'm happy with how it looks. Especially for someone that doesn't really know what she's doing when it comes to makeup. I'm okay with this. If you didn't get what I was doing, I was going for a simple drag look. The more extreme features, the cheekbone, the more intensive eye makeup, which I know looked rough at the beginning, but again, I think the end result came off pretty well. Again, I did this for June, which is Pride Month. Supporting LGBT is something that's very close to my heart. I've wanted to try drag makeup for the longest time, and I thought that this was the perfect opportunity to do it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I didn't talk as much through this. I was actually really concentrating to get the look that I was going for, and not so much joking around because it's not really a topic to joke about. To do my small part for the community, I did link the Trevor Project down below. They are this amazing organization that helps support LGBT youth and adults. They have counseling, they accept donations to help get kids off the street and give support and give information to families who don't completely understand their kids. They spread awareness. It's a project that I really do support. I linked the Trevor Project down in the description below. If you want to just look into it and see what they're about, that's fine. If you want to donate, that's great. I have already donated $100 to the Trevor Project this month, and I hope that you donate too, because what they do is just amazing. And they're really trying to make this world a better place for everyone. I don't really have anything else to say. I'll probably go wash this off and go to bed, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do this look again for outside. I think I could pull it off. Especially the rainbow. I'm liking that. I might do that again. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel in general, you can hit the subscribe button, or you can just keep watching and just enjoy. Either way, I'll see you guys in the next video.